Good evening. This is All India Radio and I am Valsa Williams with the news at 9. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked people to share technology-driven solutions for COVID-19. Centre orders closure of all schools, colleges, gyms, museums, swimming pools and theatres till the 31st of this month. Health Ministry activates toll-free 24/7 national helpline number 1075 to address queries related to the virus. Total confirmed cases rise to 114 in the country. RBI Governor says swift action has been taken for restructuring of Yes Bank, asks banks and financial institutions to assess impact of corona outbreak on their balance sheets. And Madhya Pradesh Governor Lalji Tandon issues fresh directive to Chief Minister Kamal Nath to face floor test tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked people to share technology-driven solutions for coronavirus. In a tweet, Mr. Modi urged them to share it on citizen engagement platform MyGov and said the efforts can help many. He said innovation should be harnessed for a healthier planet. MyGov in a statement said innovative solutions, bioinformatics, data sets and apps for diagnosis can be leveraged for strengthening the fight against COVID-19. It said submitted solutions will be evaluated for adoption and those selected will be suitably rewarded. In another series of tweets, the Prime Minister said that various authorities are working in sync at different levels to ensure that COVID-19 does not spread. Mr. Modi assured that no stone is being left unturned to ensure that people are healthy. He said doctors, nurses and healthcare workers are putting great efforts to fight COVID-19 and this contribution will be cherished always. He stressed that it is being ensured that everyone is healthy and those showing symptoms get proper care. A high-level meeting of the Group of Ministers, GOM, on COVID-19 was held in New Delhi today under the chairpersonship of Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. They had detailed deliberation on prevention and management of COVID-19. In its additional travel advisory, the government has further tightened restrictions to prevent the spread of COVID-19 from high-risk areas, expanding compulsory quarantine for a minimum period of 14 days for passengers coming from or transiting through UAE, Qatar, Oman and Kuwait. It will come into effect from Wednesday. Travel of passengers from member countries of the European Union, the European Free Trade Association, Turkey and the United Kingdom to India is also prohibited with effect from Wednesday. The instructions are temporary measures and will be enforced till the 31st of this month and will be reviewed subsequently. The Centre has ordered closure of all schools, colleges, gyms, museums, swimming pools and theatres till the 31st of this month due to the coronavirus situation in the country. An advisory in this regard has been sent to the state governments for implementation. Students have been advised to stay at home. Briefing media in New Delhi this evening, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Love Agarwal said,
4 new cases, one each from Odisha, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Kerala have been confirmed. There are now a total of 114 confirmed cases in India as on today, including 13 cured and 2 reported deaths.
Mr. Love Agarwal said the Committee of Secretaries chaired by the Cabinet Secretary reviewed and discussed the preventive measures to control the spread of coronavirus. He said, based on the recommendations of the committee, the group of ministers in its 7th meeting has taken the decision to adopt social distancing as a preventive measure. Mr. Agarwal said non-essential travel should be avoided and private employers must give their employees the work-from-home facility.
Travel of passengers from member countries of the European Union, the European Free Trade Association, Turkey and the United Kingdom to India is prohibited with effect from 18th March 2020. No airline shall board a passenger from these nations to India.
The Health Ministry has issued a toll-free number 1075 for the public for inquiry about coronavirus. Ministry of External Affairs has opened 24/7 helplines for COVID-19. MEA spokesperson Ravish Kumar in a tweet said the toll-free number of the control room is 1800118797. Other numbers are 9111 2301 2113, 911123014104 and 911123017905. The fax number is 910123018158. People can also mail on the email ID covid19@mea.gov.in. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has advised people to follow basic protective measures so that they can keep themselves safe from the novel coronavirus. People should avoid participating in large gatherings. If a person is experiencing cough and fever, he or she should avoid close contact with others. People are advised not to touch their eyes, nose and mouth without cleaning their hands. Spitting in public places should be avoided. The government has also issued a 24/7 helpline number 011-239-78046 and also an email ID ncov2019@gmail.com for any assistance on coronavirus. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today said no religious, social, cultural and political gathering of over 50 people will be allowed in Delhi till the 31st of March. Briefing media in New Delhi, Mr. Kejriwal said gyms, nightclubs and spas will be closed in the national capital till the end of this month in view of the COVID-19 outbreak. He said weddings have been excluded so far from restrictions but advised people to consider postponing dates. 4 of the 7 coronavirus cases in Delhi are still recovering. Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope informed that 4 more people tested positive for coronavirus in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, taking the total number of cases to 37 in the state. In Tamil Nadu, it has been warned that severe action would be taken against those who try to spread rumours about the virus through social media platforms. However, it has been announced that all essential services and activities will go on without any hindrance. In Telangana, a fresh case with coronavirus COVID-19 has been tested positive in Hyderabad today. Nagaland government has decided to close all educational institutions in the state from tomorrow till the 12th of April as a preventive measure. The state government has also barred the entry of any foreign or domestic tourists in the state from the 18th of March onwards. In Sikkim, several measures have been announced to deal with the situation. These include a complete ban on entry of domestic tourists and closure of all public places, schools, colleges, universities till the 15th of next month. A complete ban on entry of labourers into the state has also been announced. In Meghalaya, all schools and other educational institutions will remain closed from tomorrow till the 31st of March, except for holding of examinations. In order to prevent the spread of COVID-19, the Arunachal Pradesh government today ordered to close down all multiplexes, cinema halls, weekly markets and educational institutions in the state till the 5th of next month. In Jammu and Kashmir, 176 people have completed their 28-day surveillance period of coronavirus and so far only 2 cases have tested positive in the Union Territory. The West Bengal government has set up a special fund of 200 crore rupees to deal with the situation. In neighbouring Bangladesh, all educational institutions have been ordered to be closed till the 31st of this month in view of the pandemic. In Sri Lanka, the number of cases has risen to 21. The News Services Division of All India Radio in its weekly bilingual live phone-in program Public Speak will bring you a discussion tonight on prevention and control of coronavirus infection. This can be heard on FM Gold channel and additional frequencies from 9:30 p.m. Listeners can ask questions to the experts sitting in our studio on toll-free telephone number 1-800-115767. Repeat, 1-800-115767. The experts are Dr. Randeep Guleria, Director, AIMS Delhi, and Dr. Balbir Singh, Chairman and Head of Cardiology, Max Group of Hospitals. You can also ask questions on telephone number 011-2331-4444 and post queries on our Twitter handle @AIR News Alerts by hashtag AskAIR. You can also follow us on the News on AIR app for updates. This program is also available on Doordarshan DTH. This is All India Radio giving you the news. For quick news updates, visit our News on AIR app and follow us on Twitter @AIR News Alerts. You can also visit our website www.newsonair.com. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das today said that swift action has been taken by the RBI in coordination with the Centre for the restructuring of Yes Bank. Addressing the press in Mumbai, Mr. Das reiterated that depositors' money with Yes Bank is absolutely safe.
The depositors' money is absolutely safe and there is no reason for any undue worry or no need for rushing into withdrawing their deposits or their money which is with the Yes Bank. No reason for them to go for panic withdrawal or for getting unduly worried.
The RBI Governor stated that as per the new scheme, the Yes Bank moratorium will be lifted on Wednesday and the new board will assume charge on the 26th of March. About the US dollar sell-buy swap, Mr. Das said,
taking into account the favorable response to the sale-buy swap auctions conducted today and the evolving financial market conditions, we propose to conduct another 6 months US dollar sell-buy swap on March 23rd to provide liquidity to the foreign exchange market.
Meanwhile, in a notification, RBI asked all banks and financial institutions to assess the impact on their balance sheet, asset quality and liquidity, among others, in the wake of the potential threat arising out of the spread of coronavirus in India. The RBI has asked financial entities to encourage their customers to use digital banking facilities as far as possible. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today informed the Lok Sabha that a number of steps taken by the government to recover defaulted loan recoveries have shown results and have shown a decline in the NPAs of the scheduled commercial banks. Madhya Pradesh Governor Lalji Tandon today issued a fresh directive to Chief Minister Kamal Nath to face floor test tomorrow. The floor test was to be held today on the opening day of the budget session of the State Assembly, but the Speaker adjourned the House till the 26th of March in view of the coronavirus outbreak after the Governor's customary brief address. The 15-month-old Kamal Nath government is on the verge of collapse due to the resignation of 22 Congress MLAs. More from our correspondent.
After the assembly session was postponed today, Chief Minister Kamal Nath held a meeting of the Congress MLAs to discuss the current situation as well as future strategy. On the other hand, senior BJP leaders are also busy in meetings. It has now decided to keep all its MLAs together in Bhopal. At the same time, party is also planning to present rebel Congress MLAs before the Governor. Sanjeev Sharma, AIR News, Bhopal.
The Supreme Court today refused to entertain the plea of Mukesh Singh, one of the 4 death row convicts in the 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case. In his plea, Mukesh had sought restoration of legal remedies, alleging that his earlier counsel misled and forced him to sign the papers. In line with the ongoing Poshan Pakhwada, Kasar District Administration in Assam has chosen to integrate the message of nutrition with ethnic values. Here is a report from our Silchar correspondent.
The Kasar District Administration organized Poshan Dola Yatra on the occasion of Dola Yatra, a popular festival of South Assam. Number of volunteers took part in different groups of Yatra and made people aware about nutrition facts. District Coordinator of Poshan Pakhwara, Mr. Nurul Hassan, told AIR that a special village health and sanitation day was celebrated at large scale to engage the people in this initiative.
हर बुधवार को होता है, अकेला एक सेंटर नहीं करता है, 3, 4 या 5 सेंटर मिलकर करता है। इस बार का जो 11 तारीख को हुआ है, वो नॉर्मल वीज असेंबली नहीं है, उसको बोलते हैं स्पेशल वीज असेंबली, और उसके थ्रू हमारे यहाँ पे बच्चा लोग को वेट लिया गया है।
रितेश पाठक, AIR News, Silchar, Assam.
At the stock markets posting the second biggest single-day fall, the Sensex of the Bombay Stock Exchange sank 2,713 points to end at 31,390 today. Nifty crumbled 758 points to 9,197. And now, before we end the bulletin, the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked people to share technology-driven solutions for COVID-19. Centre orders closure of all schools, colleges, gyms, museums, swimming pools and theatres till 31st of this month. Health Ministry activates toll-free 24/7 national helpline number 1075 to address queries related to the virus. Total confirmed cases rise to 114 in the country. RBI Governor says swift action has been taken for restructuring of Yes Bank, Us Banks and financial institutions to assess impact of corona outbreak on their balance sheets. and Madhya Pradesh Governor Lalji Tandon issues fresh directive to Chief Minister Kamal Nath to face floor test tomorrow. And that is all in the news at 9. Good night.